Did you know that there is a phenomenon known as exploding head syndrome? It's a condition where people hear loud noises or experience explosive sounds inside their head when falling asleep or waking up. Despite the name, it is not dangerous and is usually more of an annoyance than anything else. The exact cause of the condition is unknown, but it is thought to be related to the brain's auditory system and may be triggered by stress, anxiety, or sleep disorders. It's not very common, but it's definitely a weird and somewhat unsettling condition.